Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are baking something artistic and delicious, a soft moist zebra cake made right on your stovetop. Let's turn strips into sweet bites. Take 3 eggs and beat them for about 1 minute. Add half cup sugar and continue to beat until the sugar dissolves. Whisk until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Now add half cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until it turns smooth. Now take 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve together. Add it gradually to the wet mixture. Pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons milk and mix until smooth. Use room temperature eggs for better fluffiness. Always sieve your dry ingredients for a light texture. Don't overmix after adding flour. Now divide the batter in half. To one portion add 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons milk. Mix well to make a chocolate layer. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. Now pour 1 spoon of vanilla batter. One spoon of chocolate batter in the center. Repeat the process to create beautiful zebra layers. Using a toothpick or skewer, gently draw a pattern. Homemade cakes allow you to control sugar and oil levels. Using cocoa powder gives you antioxidants and flavor. Eggs provide protein, make it more filling. No artificial color, no preservatives. Fresh is best. Place a heavy bottom pan on the stove. Add a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside, cover the lid, and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Keep the pan on medium-low heat. Slow cooking gives even result. And your stunning zebra cake is ready. Zebra cakes get their name from the beautiful strip layer inside. They originated as a fun twist on marble cakes. You can create endless designs just by alternating batter. It's a no oven cake, perfect for any kitchen. Have you ever made a zebra cake at home? Which design do you like, spiral or swirl? Let us know how your version turned out in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stovetop cake ideas. Thanks for watching Enoven Cake and Cookies. Enjoy your soft and fluffy zebra cake with every bite a stripe of sweetness. See you again with more easy homemade treats.